In this video, I will show how to activate Mac OS default spell checker. So guys, Grammarly for Mac automatically turns off the Mac OS standard spell checker when it's installed. If you prefer to keep your Mac OS spell checker on, please follow these steps. First one, open Finder and click Go. So first step, open Finder and click Go. Select Utilities and open Terminal. Now here paste the following command into the terminal window, then press enter. So you have to copy and paste this command. You will get this command from official Grammarly website, and also once you visit this website, so you will get this command. After that, restart your computer for the change to take effect. So this way guys, you can activate Mac OS default spell checker when using Grammarly. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.